Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Lone Oak where we're looking at our bunker number 3. We've just finished pouring a little over an hour ago. You can see our orange pegs at the top. They'll keep anybody from getting stabbed. If they slip, you can see our forms are up and in place. Everything's been smoothed out. Well, we have our black plastic out is because we're expecting it to rain in the coming days, and we don't want any of the side of the walls to collapse so easily. So we're bracing and getting ready for it. Let's go over and take a look. Now you'll notice the very top of our forms, the concrete is very rough, and you will notice that there's a indentation that runs around right there at the bottom. See it? Which is our keyway. That keyway is going to make it to where when we pour the top of it, it's going to bond much better to it. And you can see our beams are already getting ready to be in place, and our bags down there holds our dirt much better when we use sandbags. It's the old style of doing it. A lot of companies don't use sandbags like that anymore. They think that they don't need them. Well, it holds everything in place, and when you like putting as much gravel as I do, I like having at least 6 to 8 inches of gravel in my basement at all times, so it makes it where water filters pretty well over to my sump. So now what we'll do is we'll leave our forms on for about the next 5 to 7 days, and we'll remove them and show you what it looks like. And we've already poured our area or our underground tunnel going inside. That door area is twice as big as normal. This bunker is going to be a little bit more accessible than the last 2. This is bunker number 3. So let's go get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please comment, like, and subscribe to thebasementkings.net. Thank you, and have an excellent day.